everyone, welcome back to Tasnim's English Academy. In today's lesson, we will learn about nouns and their classification. So make sure you watch till the end because I will share easy tricks and a quick quiz to help you remember nouns forever. Let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. It helps us identify and talk about everything around us. For example, Annie, England, school, book, table, honesty, happiness. It's called the naming word because everything we see, touch, feel, or even think about has a name, and that name is a noun. Here's a quick tip. If you can see it, touch it, think about it, or talk about it, it's probably a noun. Classification of nouns. There are 5 main types of nouns in English grammar: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Let's look at each one with simple examples. Proper noun. A proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, or thing. Remember, it always begins with a capital letter. For example, Annie, England, Amazon River. Here's a tip for proper noun. Every proper noun is unique. There is only one Annie, one England, one Amazon River. Common noun. A common noun is a general name for people, places, or things of the same kind. It does not begin with a capital letter unless it's at the start of a sentence. For example, car, city, book, teacher. So while Annie is a proper noun, the word girl is a common noun. Remember, a proper noun refers to a specific name and a common noun refers to a general name. Collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of people, animals, or things. For example, a team of players, a bunch of geese, a flock of birds. So whenever you talk about a group as one unit, that's a collective noun. Abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to ideas, qualities, feelings, or concepts that we cannot see or touch. We can only feel or think about them. For example, honesty, kindness, wisdom, bravery. So if you can feel it in your mind but cannot touch it, it's an abstract noun. And the last one, material noun. A material noun is the name of a substance or material from which things are made. For example, gold, iron, wood, water, plastic. The ring is made of gold. So if it's a material used to make something, it's a material noun. Now we are going to read a short story that includes all 5 types of nouns. The story is called A Morning in Lily's Classroom. Every morning Lily walks to her school with her best friend Emma. The teacher greets the students with a warm smile. Today the class decided to make a model of the solar system. They used paper, plastic and glue to create the planets. Lily painted Earth with blue and green colors, while Emma made Saturn's rings using silver foil. When the project was finished, the teacher praised the class for their hard work and creativity. Everyone felt great happiness and pride as they looked at their beautiful creation. Now let's talk about the nouns in this story. Lily, Emma, Earth, and Saturn are proper nouns because they name specific people and planets. School, teacher, students, and project are common nouns because they name general things or people. Class is a collective noun because it refers to a group of students working together. Creativity, happiness, and pride express feelings and ideas that we cannot touch or see. Paper, plastic, glue, and silver foil are material nouns because they are substances we can see and touch. So in this short story, we have used every kind of noun in a real life context. That's how noun makes our language more colorful and meaningful. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. A proper noun is the name of a specific person or place. For example, Annie, England. A common noun is the general name of people, places, or things. For example, girl, book. A collective noun is the name of a group. For example, team, folk. An abstract noun is the name of an idea or quality, such as honesty, love. A material noun is the name of a substance, such as gold, iron. Simple, right? Now it's quiz time. Can you tell what type of noun this is? Example 1. A bunch of grapes. Example 2. Gold is a precious metal. And example 3. Honesty is the best policy. Comment your answers below. I will check and reply to your comments. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. Comment your answers and tell me which part of noun you like most. And don't forget to subscribe to Tasnim's English Academy for more easy grammar lessons every week. Share this video with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep shining.